Which electric tongue jack should you actually buy? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1. Lippert 3,500 pounds electric A-frame jack. First up, we have the Lippert 3,500 pounds electric A-frame trailer tongue jack, priced at $259.95. This jack caught my attention with its solid build and high ratings of 4.7 stars from over 6,100 reviews. If you want a reliable jack that makes raising and lowering your trailer a breeze, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This jack has a powerful 30A motor and a lift capacity of 3,500 pounds, which means it can handle most trailers with ease. The 18-inch stroke allows for a significant lift range, making it super handy. It even features integrated LED lights, so you can operate it at night without fumbling around. Plus, installation is straightforward with all necessary hardware included, so you can get going quickly. Now, some people complained about its weight, making it a bit cumbersome to handle during installation. Here's the thing though, if you value stability and power, a little extra weight is often a sign of durability. This is perfect for you if you need a sturdy electric tongue jack for heavy-duty trailers. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultralight and portable. For the price, you're getting great value and peace of mind with this one. Now, if that weight issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Vever Electric Trailer Jack, 4,000 pounds. Next on the list is the Vever Electric Trailer Jack, which can lift up to 4,000 pounds and is priced at $113.42. What caught my eye here is its strong construction and versatility. If you want a dependable jack that won't break the bank, this one's worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This jack is made from durable carbon steel and comes with a waterproof cover to protect it from the elements. It features a multi-level adjustable height from 9.84 inches to 33.85 inches, ensuring that you can keep your trailer level on different terrains. Plus, in case of a power outage, it includes a hand crank for emergency lifting. However, some users reported that the installation instructions could be clearer, leading to some confusion. But honestly, once you get it set up, the ease of use makes it worth the initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable jack for various trailers like RVs or utility trailers. Skip this one if you want something with a higher weight capacity. For the price, you're getting solid performance and features that deliver. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more lift capacity. Product number 3. Vever Electric Trailer Jack, 5,000 pounds. Coming in at number 3 is another Vever model, this time with a lifting capacity of 5,000 pounds, priced at $134.90. This jack is impressive, especially if you need something that can handle larger trailers. If you want the best performance without going over budget, this is a solid choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The jack features a lifting range of 10 to 28.3 inches, making it versatile for various trailer types. It's built with a rust-resistant coating, ensuring durability in rough weather. Plus, it has a built-in LED work light for nighttime use, which is a game-changer during late-night setups. Now, some users found the motor a bit noisy during operation. But honestly, a little noise is a small price to pay for the power this jack offers. This is perfect for you if you're frequently towing larger RVs or trailers. Skip this one if noise is a major concern for you. For what you get, it's an excellent deal. Now, if you're looking for something even more robust, the next option might just be what you're after. Product number 4, Vever Electric Tongue Jack, 3,500 pounds. Number 4 is the Vever Electric Tongue Jack with a 3,500 pounds capacity, available for $117.42. This one caught my attention for its reliability and ease of use. If you want a well-rounded jack that won't let you down, this is worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has a lifting height of up to 33.85 inches, accommodating various trailer types. The durable design and protective cover ensure that it withstands the elements, while its multi-level adjustable height prevents trailer tilting, which is super important for safety. However, Some users mention that it can struggle on steeper gradients. But here's the thing. If you typically operate on flat surfaces or slight inclines, this jack will serve you well. This is perfect for you if you need an efficient jack for RVs or utility trailers. Skip this one if you often find yourself on steep hills. For its price, it's a dependable choice. Moving on, the last product on our list is a bit of a powerhouse. Product number 5, Polestar Electric Trailer Jack, 5,000 pounds. Finally, we have the Polestar Electric Trailer Jack, boasting a lifting capacity of 5,000 pounds, priced at $181.47. This jack stood out to me because of its advanced design and efficiency. If you want top-notch performance for heavy-duty tasks, you'll want to hear about this one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features an advanced ball screw design that reduces friction, allowing for smoother and faster lifting and lowering. With a lift range from 9 to 27 inches and an impressive static load capacity of 7,500 pounds, it's built for serious tasks. Plus, the included LED lights ensure you can see what you're doing even in low light conditions. Now, some folks noted that it could be a bit pricier than other options. But honestly, if you're doing heavy lifting regularly, investing in quality can save you headaches down the line. This is perfect for you if you need a jack for larger trailers or heavy equipment. Skip this one if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. For the features you get, it's definitely worth considering. So there you have it. We covered 5 of the best electric tongue jacks on the market. From a reliable Lippert to the powerful Polestar, each jack has its strengths. Whether you're looking for heavy-duty lifting or something more budget-friendly, there's an option here for everyone. Choose wisely and happy towing.